So everyone's been asking me how I did this transition right here.
Talk to me now.
As you can see, and it's called the Morph Cut transition. Super simple, and I'm gonna show you in just a few easy steps just using objects in my area right now. So come check it out. First thing you wanna do is find a few objects. They don't necessarily have to be the same size, but if they are, then you're golden. But right now, I'm just gonna do, let's see, got it. I got my DJI mic case. I got this little, got my DJI mic case, right? I got a water bottle, and I got this plant from IKEA. So the first thing you wanna do is place your object in the center of your screen, like so. But keep in mind, it's always best to use a tripod, but right now, I'm gonna try my best to keep it stable. And what you wanna do is keep the object in the center of the frame and record it for, let's say, 5 seconds each. Boom, that's one. We're gonna switch that out to the water bottle. Record, make sure that's 5 seconds. Boom. Then we're gonna end it off with the mic case. 1, 3, 5. Perfect. So now that I got those videos, let's just hop right into Premiere Pro. Now that you have all your videos, you want to upload them to Premiere Pro and drag each clip into your timeline. Now I only want each clip to show for about a couple seconds, not even, maybe just 1 second each. So let's do that. And then I'm gonna make each clip the same duration by doing this. Boom. And then put them right back in whatever order, honestly. Once you got them back in the order that you want, all you need to do is go to the effects panel and type in Morph Cut and apply in between each of your clips. Now, as you can see, when I clicked and dragged the transition, it didn't line up perfectly in the center from each clip. So what you can do for that is double click the effect and click center at cut. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna make the Morph Cut duration a little bit longer, but I typically like to make it 0.05 seconds. But just so you can see how it looks, I'm gonna make it 0.15. And from here, all you have to do is wait for Premiere Pro to finish analyzing each of the clips. So we'll wait. I think I got it. And here's what it'll look like. Voila, super simple. You only need one transition and then maybe a few different clips. And that's it. It's super simple, super simple. So that's how I do that transition.